right here, they have a whole session so you could try out their cases, their gaming systems, and they're advertising the 560 Ti. People are playing Fortnite. They just to let you guys know, this is Be Quiet. They have a great setup in here. I'm going to show you some of the actual modules they have. This is one of my favorite ones that they have right here. It's actually really good, man. You guys see. Damn. Look at this sucker. Is RGB lighting included on this one? With the it's an RGB lighting.
This is a full custom build.
Okay.
But the
no, I'm talking about this, the cooler.
Yeah, that is RGB.
RGB. Because I'm still looking at the 12 volts, and then the fan connection.
Got the RGB header
yeah. Cool.
That's the best one.
You don't have that one running somewhere, do you?
I know that's the best air cooler you can get.
No, you don't have it running somewhere, do you?
Oh, looking around. I'm not sure which one.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
In Dark Base 701 on the opposite side of the table.
Oh, I'll go check it out, man, right now.
We also have our Pure Rock Pro 3 inside of one of our builds right here too.
So this one's in Sony builds.
That is the Pure Rock Pro 3 LX. It's the LX version because it comes with our light up fans. And then we have the regular version that comes with just our standard previous fans.
I like it. I think I'm gonna replace my water cooling this way. It's already failing. So that's why I'm looking for maybe a module like this. I don't have to worry about water cooling.
If you ever did want to go with another
Yeah, that's the thing. After a year or two, it's just like overheating. It takes a lot of tone. So this one right here, look at that. Overfill right here. I like that.
But yeah, this is that cooling bottle. So in about 2 years, you just remove the sticker, unscrew it, put this little bottle in there, and refill it.
That is freaking cool. That's unheard of, you know. Nobody does that.
We want to make sure you have something that lasts you forever, you know.
Yeah. Look at this Be Quiet section. This is freaking cool. So we're here at the Be Quiet session. We're looking at the actual water cooling system that they have. Here they don't have a water cooling system, but they actually have a fan here running on it. And we just took a look at it and see how much it was. And also not only that included, they have some that have RGB lighting. So if you guys can see, this is a beautiful build that they did just for demo purposes. But I don't know what kind of case it is, but it's a beautiful case too to begin with. There's a power session in the middle, 2 USBs, Type-C on the end, and of course reset button. Oh, it's a Be Quiet system. This is a cool little setup that they have here.
Where's the hard drive?
So that is freaking cool. So you got 2 fans here.
It's a Bluetooth.
You got more fans up here. And these are outtake. And these are intake. I can feel them. This is taking the air in, taking the air out. So I'm gonna demonstrate. It's taking the air from here in, it's taking it out. So you don't have fans underneath, but you have fans. But look at this. You got plenty of fans for the bottom section in here. It's freaking cool. Oh, I like this one. Look at this one. This is a Foley one that they have, and this is a different stand-up desk right here. If you guys can see, they have all. This is a height. I mean, this is also a Be Quiet system that they have. But look at all the water cooling system they have in here. And they're running, I don't know what kind of video card, but it also has a water cooling on the actual video card too. And look at this. Look at the aesthetics of it. It looks freaking cool. There's a Be Quiet.
Sometimes, yeah.
I like that one.
This also has that Dark Rock Pro 5 I was telling you about.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Super easy to build in,
Yeah.
but more than that, it's got a little button
802.
just to pop it on.
Oh,
Yeah, no need for screws, nothing like that. You just have a button, and it does all you need. Yeah, it's and then it just snaps right back in. Now, this case itself, it's one of our older cases, but
it's your favorite.
it's my favorite. It's so easy to build in. On top of that, we give you mesh panels and
Yeah.
we give you silent proof panels.
Oh, that's freaking
So
cool.
we have plastic ones that go right here as well. Same with the front. This is a mesh one, but there's also sound dampening ones as well. So it's you want airflow or you want sound
Yeah.
dampening. It's whatever you want. We provide that.
Which one do you own? I know they give you freebies. Come on, which one do you own?
This one,
Yeah.
so I own a Lightbase fan.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is the Lightbase 900 because
That's like the one I have right now. I told you the height. It's like that, exactly.
so this case can be
Yeah.
pointed any way you want. It's the same case, but we have it comes with feet, and this feet can go on here and have it like you see right now.
Higher.
You can put
Yeah.
the feet right here and it'll flip it around.
Oh, shoot.
So you'll turn this whole PC upside down.
That is.
Or you can put the feet on the back and have it laid down.
I like
See,
that.
like we have it laid down right there.
Yeah.
But then we have
I just saw it over there right now. That's what I saw. Yeah. That's the same one as the one over there that you said. Yeah, yeah.
and as you can see, this one right here on the left hand side,
Yeah.
it's upside down. You can see how the motherboard's down instead of up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that one we flipped it all the way upside down.
I like that. The modules you can flip.
Now, what I'm going to be taking from
Yeah.
the house eventually is going to be this case right here. This is the smallest,
Minimize. Yeah, yeah.
smallest version of these. It's the Lightbase 500. But on top of that, it's just super easy to just maneuver.
Yeah.
It's all bent. So you just put it on. So just little pins, and then it just snaps like that.
Yeah.
It's going to be so easy to build.
So when I go to the convention, this out. Now this one right here, I believe it has module monitors in front of it, right? Oh no, no, it doesn't. But it's like a haunted house here for Monster, for the K-pop Monster Killer, I think it is. And look at this sucker right here. Oh my God, this is beautiful. If you could change the LED lights like this is great. Look at that. Great little module setup. I'm gonna show you another one. This is the Be Quiet unit too that we just saw right now with the bare bones, of course. But this one right here has some great stuff in here. Look at that. All the lighting up and features that you have in here, including the corner ones. And the color inside, it's just like different colors that you can set up. I like this setup. Look at the aesthetics of it to match from the outside, the inside. And look at this part right here too. This is another unit that's custom built in here. Great stuff that they have.